CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.4, Compare and contrast authentication, authorization, accounting and non-repudiation concepts. Accounting. At its core, accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions, ensuring that records of individual financial transactions are accurate and up-to-date. This meticulous process has been the backbone of businesses for centuries, helping them understand their financial health and make informed decisions. But in the rapidly evolving world of IT security, accounting takes on an additional meaning. Here, it doesn't just deal with dollars and cents, it refers to the tracking of user activity and system events. Just as financial accounting keeps track of money, IT accounting keeps track of data and user actions, and answers the pivotal question, what did you do? One of the primary tools used in IT accounting are logs. Think of logs as the digital footprints left behind in a system. These footprints, or logs, are records that provide a chronological account of events in a system. They can track a wide range of activities, from user logins, file accesses, to even the smallest system errors and security breaches. The importance of logs cannot be overstated. They are the silent guardians of the digital world. They assist system administrators in diagnosing problems, almost like a doctor referring to a patient's history. They provide a clear, traceable trail for auditors to ensure compliance, ensuring that digital protocols are being followed. And perhaps most importantly, they can be instrumental in detecting unauthorized or potentially malicious activity. By answering the questions of who, what, when, and where, logs provide a comprehensive view of system activities. Another significant aspect of accounting in IT is the tracking of online activity. Let's take a moment to think about your web browser's history. This seemingly simple feature not only allows you to revisit previously accessed sites but also serves as a detailed record of your online journey, almost like a diary of your digital adventures. For businesses and organizations, monitoring web history isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. It ensures employees adhere to company policies. It offers protection against harmful websites, serving as a shield against the darker corners of the web. And in today's age of cyber threats, it can be a vital tool in cyber investigations, helping to piece together digital puzzles. Now, it's easy to perceive IT accounting as a big brother watching over your shoulder, and to some extent, that's a valid perspective. But it's essential to see the bigger picture. The other half of IT accounting, the one that often goes unnoticed, is its role in ensuring a transparent, secure, and accountable digital environment for all. It's about building trust in a digital world that's becoming increasingly untrustworthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.